Hi, in this video, I'm just going to show you how to divide, because divide is something which sometimes students struggle and they find it tricky to answer these type of questions. It sounds basic, just a divide question, but I know personally with my personal experience that sometimes students struggle with divide questions. So I'm just going to do some of these divide questions and then I will give you the answers for rest of them. I will recommend you to do all of them by yourself. And when you have done them, then you can check your answers and just to let you know, the answers are here at the end. I'm just going to show you the answers here. You see the answers for the same questions are here. So, but what I will recommend you can try these questions by yourself, and once done, then you can check your answer. So I'm just going to do the first question. As you can see here, we have to divide 8 by 5, right? So we have to divide basically total 8605 by 5. So what we can do, we just do divide them one by one. First we see how many times 5 timetable goes on 8 or less than 8. So 5 times 1 is 5, because if we do 5 times 2, 5 times 1 is 5. If we do 5 times 2, that will be 10. 10 will be bigger than 8. So we have to be less than 8. So 5 times 1 is 5. So take away 8 from, take away 5 from 8. What we get? We get 3. So now it's not 6. The next number is not 6. It will be 36. So we add this one with this. So it's 36. Now we have to find how many 3's can go on 36. Sorry, how many 5's can go on 36? We have to divide 36 by 5. So how many 5's can go on 36 or less than 36? So we know that 5 times 7 is 35. So 5 times 7 is 35. So take away 35 from 35 from 36. So we get 1. So 1 we can write here just between 6 and 1. 6 and 0. So we can write 1 here. Between 6 and 0, we can write 1 here. So it's not 0. The next number which we have to divide is not 0 anymore. It's 10 now, because we add 1 with 0. So it's 10. So how many 5's can go on 10? 2. So we take away, so 5 times 2 is 10. So we can take away 10 from 10 is nothing, right? So now we have got left only 5 here. So how many 5's can go on 5? 5? 1. So this will be our answer for the first question, right? Now I'm going to do another question for you. We can choose any of them. I'm going to do this one now. 5. Again, this is 5. How many times 5's timetable can go on 9 or less than 9? Obviously, 5 times 1 is 5. So you take away 5 from 9. So we get 4. Now it's 43. How many times 43 can go on 5? 5 times 8. 5 times 8 is 40. So take away 40 from 43. We get 3. So we write 3 in between 3 and 7. So it's not 7 anymore. It's 37. So how many times 5's timetable we have to see? How many times 5's timetable can go on? 37. Remember, it's 37 now. So we know that 5 times 7 is 35. So we take away 35 from 37. So we get 2. So we'll write 2 in between 7 and 1. 7 and 1. So now it's not 1 there anymore. It's 21. So 2 and 1 is 21. So how many times 5 timetable can go on 21? 5 timetable go on 21 less than or 4 times, because 5 times 4 is 20. So what will be the remainder? Remainder will be 1. So we just write R1 here. That's how we do it. Now I'm going to do another question for you, and then I will recommend you if you can do rest of them by yourself. Here, can you see we have to divide in this question? We have to divide 4865 by 7. So how we can divide it? So obviously we'll do one by one. So first we have to divide 4 by 7. How many times 7's timetable can go on 4? Obviously it does not go because it's a small number. So what we do, we just add 0 here. Write 0 here and add the next one. It's not 4, so we add the next one is 48. So how many times 7's timetable can go on 48 or less than 48? We know that 7 times 6 is 42. So we write 6. 7 times 6 is 42. Now we take away 42 from 48. So we get 6. So 6 we will write between 8 and 6. So now how many times 7's timetable go on 66 or less than 66? So 7 times 9 is 63. So we write 9 here, 63. So take away 63 from 66. So we get 3. So 3 will be added here. Now it's 75. How many times 7's timetable go on 75? Now it's 35. Sorry, it's not 75. It's 35. You see 3 and 5 is 35. So how many times 7 timetable can go on 35? So it goes exactly on 7 times 5 is 35. So write 5 here, right? So that's it. I have done these 3 questions. I will recommend you, if you can do all of these, we can quickly check our answers as well. The way I'm going to do is you can do the same way as well. Can you see the first question? The answer is 1721. So let's check the answer for the first one. It is 1721. R0. R0 means remainder 0. Obviously, there were no remainder, so there's no need to write RO as well, R0 as well. But anyways, remainder 0. Now, if we talk about the next question, which we did, that was, the fourth question. So answer which we got was 1874, remainder 1. So we can quickly check the answer. 1874, remainder 1, right? So this is the answer here. Now we can check the last one which we did. That was, the answer was 0695. So we can check the answer here. You see 0695, this question I'm talking about here. And remember, we don't need to write remainder 0, because when there's no remainder, they have done it just to help you out. So answers are done here. So I will recommend you, if you can do all of these questions, and then we can you can tally your answers as well. But I will definitely recommend you to do every single question. It will help you in remembering the stuff. So because we can only memorize the stuff with the work, with the practice. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.